Superpowers. 120,000 GitHub stars. By Jesse Vincent. Feature 1. Auto-activating skills. This is the core of Superpowers. You don't tell your agent to plan or test or review. The skills fire automatically at the right moment. Describe what you want to build, and Superpowers handles the entire workflow. Feature 2. 2 to 5 minute task planning. Every feature gets decomposed into tiny tasks. Each one takes 2 to 5 minutes. Superpowers identifies exact file paths, adds verification criteria, and ensures no task is large enough. Feature 3. Enforced test-driven development. TDD isn't optional. It's mandatory. Red-green refactor on every single task. Write the test first. Watch it fail. Implement minimum code to pass. Refactor. Feature 4. 2-stage code review. Every change goes through 2 reviews. Stage 1. Does it match the spec? Every acceptance criteria checked. Stage 2. Is the code clean, secure, and performant? Critical issues block the merge. Feature 5. Git Worktree isolation. Every feature gets its own isolated Git Worktree. Multiple agents can work on different features in parallel. No branch conflicts, ever. Superpowers auto-creates the worktree, assigns the agent, and merges clean. That's Superpowers. 120,000 stars on GitHub. Works with Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Gemini, and more.